Dressed in white coats, students at Vollentine Elementary look like real scientists, and they are. Thanks to a partnership between Memphis Shelby County Schools and St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, young students are being immersed in science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM. The goal is to inspire the next generation of thinkers. Here's more on the program.
Put the pipe cleaner through your bed. I want you to fold the pipe cleaner like a what?
Burrito.
Taco.
Sandwich.
Yes.
It's simply STEM. It's simply partnering with elementary schools and teaching them about science and St. Jude education.
Real good.
The coolest thing that we learned through our research, we learned that how cancer was made and stuff, and how it spreads around the body.
We also learned a new word about cancer. I think it was sarcomas.
It started about 5 years ago under the leadership of Kate Ayers, who is the director. She actually started with, co-writing the curriculum as case studies, and then we developed them into STEM after-school programs.
I want you to lay down one pipe cleaner, lay one pipe cleaner on each finger.
Miss Kate Ayers reached out to Principal Peterson and asked her would we be one of the schools to host a STEM club. And so Miss Peterson was happy to do so. And she asked the staff members if anybody was interested in becoming the sponsor, and I quickly jumped on that opportunity.
So that's where the partnership actually started and began with about maybe 24 schools, and then now we have a waiting list of maybe 5 or 6 more additional schools.
The overall goal is to promote diversity in science and STEM careers. We want students to be excited about science and to foster that that drive to want them to become scientists or bioengineers.
I thought it was really cool because I've never worn like a coat like this before, so it was new.
Very good, very good. Real good.
So when they first put on their lab coat, they were so excited. They really felt like scientists. They got the chance to put it on and do experiments, and it just develop that mindset that they are scientists and they can do whatever they want to do.
I want to be a doctor that specializes in some things.
The STEM club is 10 weeks, and the clubs meet once a week, maybe from 3:30 to 4:30 or 4:30 to 5:30, depending on late schools.
Anyone in 5th grade can join, and it's maxed out at 20 students, and it's on a first-come, first-served basis.
I know I often go out to the schools and see how excited they are about learning all of these new concepts and things that they have never heard of, and being creative, seeing their innovative creations from the BioSTEM project.
It's okay. You don't need 2 hands. You do have 2 hands. You did it completely.
It felt good, and it made me feel like more of a scientist.
So the first half of the curriculum is a case study called Running Pains.
Well, when we got in our booklet, we learned about a kid that had cancer.
Second half of the curriculum is a build challenge.
It was this guy named Daniel. He lost his hand to cancer, and we had to build him a prosthetic one so then he can live a normal life.
So first we used construction paper to trace out our hand. After cutting the hand out, we will add whatever we wanted to try to make the hand, and it has to be able to pick up and ping pong ball and put it in a cup.
So it is like a process. They have to go through the case study to diagnose a person and be that, the scientist, be that doctor from St. Jude.
Well, STEM can help you learn much more about science, mathematics, engineering, and etc. It can also improve your grades just like it did for most of us.
Yeah, in reading, my test scores it doubled, and because I learned new words in STEM club.
So my goal for the students for STEM Club is just to develop a love for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. I just want them to be able to take this information and skills that they've learned and just continue to prosper in life.